And we're rolling. This is Ball State Premier Teaching University. We are a university with a solid tradition of excellent teaching, and we will continue to be a premier teaching university in the Midwest. But there is a tangible sense of energy on this campus and a feeling that Ball State is poised to soar to new heights of academic and intellectual achievement. While many universities wrestle with the question, is our primary job to teach or conduct research, Ball State University has quietly resolved the debate. It is a comprehensive institution with a legacy and tradition of excellent teaching that has woven into its fabric the threads of vital research. The result? A dynamic university that serves a diverse student population of more than 20,000. Ball State University serves Indiana through an extensive interactive television network, economic development training, and entrepreneurial resources. And it serves the nation and the world in pioneering studies in neuropsychology, bioenergetics, economic theory, and energy use and conservation. At its core, Ball State is a place where teaching is paramount, a place where our best professors are still in the classroom. We have made a place for ourselves between the large research-oriented university and the small liberal arts college. Our faculty members are teacher scholars, not scholars who sometimes teach. A fiber optic network carries voice, data, and video communications to classrooms, laboratories, and residence halls campus-wide. Ball State faculty weave the benefits of this technology into their teaching and research. Ball State is dedicated to the teaching and practice of a healthy life. The health, physical activity, and arena complex forms Ball State's core of research and education in human performance, wellness, and physical education. This assembly of classrooms, offices, and laboratories links the Llewellyn Aquatic Center, Irving Gym, and the Field Sports Building. The crown jewel of the complex is the nearly 12,000-seat University Arena. While basketball is the premier sport in Indiana, Ball State boasts of success in other men's and women's intercollegiate athletics. But the true strength of a university is found in the quality of its academic programs. Since 1918, when the Ball brothers donated the original land and buildings, the pursuit of academic excellence has paved the way for rapid growth of programs and teaching facilities. As the student population increased and programs expanded, the university spread beyond the original quadrangle, adding the Emmons Auditorium, Music Building, and Arts and Communications Building. No, I didn't do that right. Top of the page. As the student population increased and programs expanded, the university spread beyond the original quadrangle, adding the Emmons Auditorium, Music Building, and Arts and Communication Building complex. The 10-story Teachers College Building. The 1.8 million volume Brecken Library, Whitinger Business Building. The College of Architecture and Planning Building. The Bell Building, home to the university's computer network. And the Ball Building, which houses Ball State's telecommunications programs. When added with other residential and operational structures, the campus constitutes nearly 1,000 acres. And Ball State reaches beyond Indiana with specialized study in London, Vienna, the Netherlands, Germany, France, and Mexico. For over 20 years, the university has developed Far East opportunities with institutions in Korea, Japan, and China. Ball State's faculty and students can experience cultural, research, and educational challenges that enhance careers and broaden personal horizons. This link with institutions in the Far East also helps attract international students to Ball State. A renowned international center ensures the greatest comfort to those studying far from their home country. Far East students work with state-of-the-art technology in their daily campus lives. These students help Ball State maintain its blend of diverse cultures. The core of academic life continues to be the original quad, where commencement at its Arts Terrace has been the starting point for 94,000 alumni living in every state and in countries circling the globe. Ball State University, a campus beautiful in all seasons, where we value teaching. Okay, we're going to do the pickups now. While basketball is the premier sport in Indiana, Ball State boasts of success in other men's and women's intercollegiate athletics. And now the second pickup. International students work with state-of-the-art technology in their daily campus lives. International students work with state-of-the-art technology in their daily campus lives.